Hi there, English learners. Welcome back to our channel where we make English easy for everyone. In today's video, we are going to share 5 powerful tips that will help you improve your English skills. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced learner, these strategies will take your English to the next level. So let's dive right in. Immerse yourself in English. The first thing you need to do is immerse yourself in the English language. Surround yourself with English content such as movies, TV shows, podcasts, and music. This exposure will help you familiarize yourself with the language sounds, vocabulary, and expression. Plus, it's a fun way to learn. Practice speaking regularly. Practice makes perfect, right? Set aside dedicated time each day to practice speaking in English. You can do this by engaging in conversations with native speakers, joining language exchange programs, or even speaking to yourself in front of the mirror. Even I do it. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Expand your vocabulary. Building a strong vocabulary is essential for effective communication. Learn new words every day and make use of them in your conversations. Explore online resources such as vocabulary building apps and websites to make learning engaging and interactive. Remember, a rich vocabulary opens doors to expressing yourself more precisely. Read, read, read. I can't stress this enough. Reading is a fantastic way to improve your English skills. Make it a habit to read books, magazines, and online articles in English. Start with materials that match your proficiency level and gradually challenge yourself with more complex texts. Reading enhances your comprehension, grammar, and overall language skills. Get grammar savvy. Last but not the least, take time to brush up on your grammar. Understand the rules and structures of the English language to communicate effectively. Our channel has a wide range of grammar lessons, tips, and exercises to help you master English grammar. Be sure to check out our other videos for more in-depth guidance. And there you have it, 5 powerful strategies to improve your English. Remember, consistency and dedication are key. Practice regularly, immerse yourself in English, expand your vocabulary, read extensively, and become grammar savvy. With time and effort, you will see remarkable progress. If you found this video helpful, give it a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable English lessons. Also, feel free to share your thoughts, questions, or any other topics you'd like us to cover in the comment section below. Until next time, keep learning and keep improving. Happy English learning! Thank you for watching. If you are ready to take your English skills to new heights, join our community and hit the subscribe button. Together, let's make English easy for everyone.